Listen and read.
A. Brilliant. Contribution. Enter. Graduate. Improve. Knowledge. Opportunity. Respect. B. Brilliant. A brilliant scientist. A brilliant career. To have a brilliant time. Winning that race was just brilliant. Wasn't it an absolutely brilliant idea? Contribution. A wonderful contribution. To make a contribution to something. They made a very large contribution to the development of this theory. We were asked to make a contribution of $25. Enter. To enter the house. To enter the hall. The boy was not allowed to enter the room. To enter a university. I'd like to enter this school. Enter the information into the computer. Graduate. To graduate from university. To graduate from college. He entered the university in 2005 and graduated from it in 2010. Improve. To improve the results. To improve the performance. To improve education. To improve educational standards. The weather has improved. My elder brother is always trying to improve himself. Knowledge. To improve your knowledge. His knowledge of the facts. Not to my knowledge. I did not have any knowledge of what had happened. You should have some knowledge of physics at your age. Opportunity. A good opportunity. A brilliant opportunity. A fantastic opportunity. To take the opportunity. To miss the opportunity. Your visit to London is a wonderful opportunity to see the city. Don't miss the opportunity to go there. Respect. Respect for somebody, something. To lose respect. To show respect. We have always shown respect for the law.